Hello, I'm Marcos Nogueira and I'll begin the demonstration with the client side of the Lead B2B system. I log in as a buyer. This is a typical buyer homepage where he can search for products and place orders. The top bar contains the main menu where some functionalities can be activated. And now I will search for a product by typing its code on the search bar. Once I click OK, some details appear below, such as the dealers that attend my company, so I can choose from which dealer I will buy the part, discounts, prices, time of arrival and other information. And I can also check on the catalog if this is the correct part. This is the correct part, okay, and now I will return to the home page in order to inform the quantity that I need. I need 4 units of this part and add this part to the cart. I can add as many parts as I need to the shopping cart. You see, I will add one less part as a pre-order to the shopping cart. That's it. Add the part to the shopping cart, and that's all. Now I can place the order by typing a title to the order, selecting the payment method, and finish the order. Once the order is generated, the dealers will receive emails informing them that orders have been placed. This is the order management screen, where I can check all orders, their status and so forth. The items in a cart can also be saved to a list, so the buyer won't need to type each item individually later. It gives the list a meaningful name, and this list can be used later to generate the same order. That's it. This is a typical buyer's operation in the system. Simple, fast, and straightforward. Thank you for watching. Next, the part 2. Now, I'll be demonstrating the dealer side of the Lead B2B system. I log in as a seller. This is a typical seller's homepage. The top bar contains the main menu. There is the banner area. Then below, some useful information for the seller, and the orders management window, where the seller can check and work on all orders that his company has received. Now, as a seller, I see that there's new order from this company. I'll edit and opens the order editing screen. The top contains the header of the order, and below the order itself, the quantities, the prices, the discounts, and so forth. Before I dispatch this order, I can type a remark for the buyer, and that's all. Finish the operation. Simple, isn't it? Please note that any user can activate the chat online if he or she needs help from the Lead Solutions support team. This ends a brief demonstration of the dealer side of the Lead B2B system. Next, the administrator side. And now I'll be demonstrating the administrator side of the system. I log in as an administrator. This is the administrator homepage. The top bar contains the main menu, as usual, the banner area, and below the banner area, the dashboards area, where many metrics of the system are displayed. An administrator can monitor the health of his business easily and also easily dashboards can be created and added to the system in-house. The administrator manual contains an additional button, Auditing, where orders can be conciliated against invoices, thus giving the administrator more control over his business. And the Forms manual contains many parameters that are needed to run the system. As an example, I'll show you the client's page. Here are the clients that are registered in the system, and now I'll open a client form. This is the client form, where many parameters can be displayed and modified at will. Very easy, comprehensive, and straightforward. This ends the demonstration of the Lead B2B system. Thank you for watching.